Good morning. I think this is Friday, September 22nd, 2023, somewhere around the autumnal equinox. I think someone says the 23rd, someone says the 21st, this is the 22nd. So here we go, we rented a chipper today. Veretto 3107C. I rented this once before, it works really good. And we just don't want to jinx ourselves. Here's what we got. Some scraps here, sawmill scraps here, we got sawmill scraps here. We got a bunch of wood that we don't need that much firewood, so I'm going to chip what I can because I need the wood chips. We got over here, we got a bunch of our old Christmas trees and stuff that's got to get chipped up. Over here, this all needs to get cleaned up in here. A bunch of old scrap wood, sawmill scraps that need to get cleaned up. So we're going to get started. Okay, here we go. There's a chipper. I got a container to cart with a backstop to shoot some chips into. We got this stuff to chip. I'm going to get it set up, and it's going to be real loud, but I'll get it started once we get it moving. Okay, it's winding down. I got this pile done, it was here. We got half of this pile done. The cart's full, I gotta go empty that. Yeah. Alright, we raked up some of this because there was a lot of overspray because the chute keeps moving. But we got this full. We're going to take it out on the trail. I think I have an idea where to put it and a backup plan, so let's see what happens. Here's the plan. You know, we were out there, came in here. Here's a pile from last season, and we're going to try to empty this here with the pitchfork and then pull the tarp to empty the remains so I don't have to get every last drop. We'll see how it goes. Alright, first part went good. I was able to use the pitchfork and get most of it off the top, up pretty high. But this tarp doubled over on the inside because it's too small, so I couldn't scoop out enough, so I had to tip this and then I could pull it out, but then it got too far out here. I really want it up on top more. I think I'm going to use a bigger tarp next load, so it wraps up over the sides and the back and out the bottom so that it doesn't get all folded up in the wind from the chute. Alright, second round. We got this to chip. We got stuff over there, and we're trying to get some stuff out of that pile over there. See how all that goes. So we repositioned, we emptied this out. We got a bigger tarp so it hangs over the sides more, front and back, and we bungeed this thing down and we repositioned it now, so instead of the chute shooting at an angle, it's going to be shooting right against the backboard, hopefully deflecting things down. And as the chute, which has a tendency to drip down, will be just shooting into the bin instead of shooting on the short side, or not. Alright, here's our second load. We repositioned the cart so the chute's going to shoot directly into it, hitting the backboard. We got this stuff here to finish up. Yeah, let's get her started up. powered down. I raked up this, put it in there. When we move it, we'll do that. So much less overspray. You can see it's really just this spot right here. Not too much on this side. Most of it made it in, so definitely a much better angle alignment shooting the long way into it instead of shooting across. So we're gonna rake up this, put all that in here, and then we got to move over there. We got this area, rake clean, rake and shovel. We cleaned up those things. Now we reposition the chipper over here. We got, so this is like 2 Christmas trees. So that means it's been 2 years since we chipped here. This is where we put our Christmas trees. So, unless one of them's Pat's. One of them might be Pat's. Or, yeah. So we got to do these and this, and then we're going to move over to. Look at that pile over there. And you can see now we got the chute kind of lined up, all right, with the chip wagon. So that should be better. And I'm almost out of water for a second time, and I need a little bit of lunch, and I've got to do a little bit more.